Pillow. Pillow. Oh my God. That is nice pillow. I want to see how much is that. This is $40. Very, very nice and comfy. Oh my God. I wish I had one of these at home. My pillow more look like this. Horrible. I'm gonna buy one of these when I have time. Oh, this one is even better. But they need to make it a little longer. $20. $40. I don't want to go that way because it is blanket. Oh, I didn't know they sell umbrella here. Look, for this umbrella, $59, so around $6. Okay, this is $6. You have to follow the arrow. I cannot believe Swedish people love light. They love light. They have a lot of light in this IKEA. What will happen if I push this? Oh, that will change the color of this.
Good.
Green one. Blue. Red, pink. Cute.
Jag tänker jag går runt och
Ja, okej, vi är på väg. Vi väntar ju här vid lampan.
Okay. I am lost. I need to look at the... Oh yeah, right here. We have to get out from that side. From the warehouse. This is where you pay for your stuff. I didn't even look at the half of the store because I kind of got lost. So I'm not gonna go through the register. Or maybe I can get out from here. Well, this is where we came inside. Now this is where we go outside. No, I am wrong. We are in the second floor. I need to go to first floor, right here. Let me show you top view of the parking. This is cool. I like this one. I can run. Woo! I miss Liana. Oh my God, my daughter. Okay, this is where we came. We went that way and we came out from that way. Now we are at the parking. Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment and tell me what do you think about this kind of video. I am going to make a review. I'm going to travel around and see what's going on, okay? Thank you. I love you all. Bye.